Looking for an easy way to give your body the nutrients it needs and craves? Stay tuned. Hi, my name is Katrina. Welcome to the Organixx channel, where we deeply care about your health and are here to inspire you to make healthy and delicious recipes. Today we're going to be making a nutrient-dense anti-inflammatory smoothie. Let's begin by adding 1 cup of either unsweetened almond or coconut milk into your blender. Next, add in 1 cup of chopped up kale, which is one of the most nutrient-dense foods that you can find. And for me, it ended up being about 2 whole leaves. So if you don't have a really strong blender, then I would recommend cutting out this middle stem just so that it makes it easier to blend up. Otherwise, include everything. Next, let's add in 1 cup of freshly chopped up pineapple, which is really high in digestive enzymes, so it's going to help support a healthy digestion. 1 cup of frozen mango, and the reason I'm using frozen is so that I don't have to add in any ice cubes to our smoothie, which can really water down the taste. And you can also flip this. You could have used frozen pineapple and fresh mango, just depends on what you have available. To give a huge boost of nutrients to our smoothie, add in 1 scoop of Organixx organic greens. 1 teaspoon of freshly grated ginger root, which is also excellent for your digestion. 1/2 teaspoon of ground turmeric powder, and you can always substitute this with 1/2 tablespoon of freshly ground turmeric if you have it. And turmeric is a wonderful anti-inflammatory. 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Be sure to use organic, unfiltered, that also includes the mother for maximum health benefits. And last but not least, add in a little bit of freshly ground black pepper. Blend up all of your ingredients really well, just being sure that you don't have any clumps of kale left over. Let's give this beautiful smoothie a try. That is so delicious. You can taste the kale and the pineapple, but everything blends together beautifully. Nothing is too overpowering. This is so good for your body. It's really nutrient dense and an anti-inflammatory because we added in the turmeric and the black pepper. Definitely give this one a try. Thanks so much for joining me today. Hey, if you like this recipe and would like to receive more just like this one, be sure to subscribe to our channel. I'll see you next week in the kitchen. Until then, be well.